Hello, lovelies, and welcome to my channel. This is Truly Tara, and here I do reviews and unboxings and just fun makeup and skincare stuff. And I'm so excited because I have new stuff, and of course, I kind of missed the 4th, but happy 4th of July. I hope you like my background, and that is a real flag. That is not a background. That is a true blue American flag. And it is beautiful. And again, happy Independence Day. A little late. Okay. So I've been waiting on this. I'm really excited about it. This is from a brand called Illuminati. They reached out to me and was like, hey, we have a box. And now it wasn't, they didn't give it to me. I paid for it. Um, and I did open it because I was trying to film like a little opening Instagram video. And first thing that happened was I started seeing meh everywhere. So I reached out to them because these, oh my gosh, they're my colors. They're so my colors. Um, I reached out to him, and yesterday he or they, I'm not sure, they wrote me back. I think that it's a him that I've been talking to. Said that they would absolutely send me another one and a couple other goodies. So yeah. All right. So other than that, let's unbox this. Okay. So first thing is, and this is like, I thought that Illuminati, whenever I first seen it, I was like, okay, so this must just be their brand, and they're doing boxes with just their stuff, but that's not the case. This is Beached Blush, and I've already got this, so I'm not going to open it. And I'm not sure what. Oh, wait. Bo Babe Beauty. That's who it is. BB. Okay. And next, I have been eyeing this and I didn't want to open it. So it is also Bo Babe Beauty, and it's liquid eyeshadow. Oh, fun. This box just, I didn't, like, I should have showed you, like, it looked so fun. And they wrote me a little note. And I can't believe that I said him a minute ago because I'm such a crazy person. They wrote, hi, Tara. Thank you so much for subscribing to our mystery box and supporting my small women-owned business. Hope you love your new products, Candace and Rachel. I really should go back and start this video over because I don't know where I got him from. I think it's because I have been inundated in my Instagram with uh be our ambassador, be our ambassador. And at first, I was like, oh, this looks, interesting. And it's just a bunch of stuff from China. And yeah. So I think that I got him from, I've talked to a couple of different people, and mostly that it's been men. Um, so I'm sorry about that, girls. I'm really, really sorry about that. But that note just, it really made my day. And I don't know why I don't have, okay, I have a pair of scissors right here. I know I should probably just go ahead and open this stuff, but I like to be surprised by it. I like for you guys to see my reaction. All right, here we go. Look at that. Is that not awesome? I just love that by itself. Oh, interesting. Oh, okay. So I'm going to have to play with that a little bit. Because it says eyeshadow. But I don't know. We'll see. Okay. So next we have, now this is Illuminati. And it's got a little bit of eyeshadow on it. Okay. Oh, that's my color. Okay, so before I had on, I got out of Ipsy, is it? Oh, okay. I got the Natasha Denona Lipophoria, and it was a very, very, very nude color, which I like nudes, and that actually that plays really well together. So now I have one, the Natasha Denona. Let me add a little bit more. So I like that. I like that. Not too dark, not too red. Okay, so, and then next is another one, and that's too pink for me. I don't know. I mean, I'm not going to try it now, but I will. Okay, so next we have a blush brush. Cheeky Rose Beauty. Nice. Oh, I love these. I love these. They just feel so amazing. So that's nice. Okay. And last but not least, I have another palette, and this is actually Illuminati. I'm sure that I've heard of this brand. Okay, so I have another, all right. So it's not bad, but that bottom color is coming out. Okay, so I like the bottom row and I like the top row. I mean, I like it. Okay, so that is Soul. Okay, is that black or green? Okay. This is Trust. I like that. That's pretty. Wow, it came off kind of purple, didn't it? Okay. June 1st. I wonder what June 1st is. I don't I don't know. Somebody oh, my skin is peeling from, yeah. Like as many Truly and like all those products, like they are trying, like I literally just got out of the shower a little bit ago, and like my scrubs, it just keeps peeling. It won't stop. Okay, so let's do the Purple Dream because it looks really, really pretty. Yeah, that's pretty. I like that. And Purple Haze, which I think I dipped that into. Okay. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay. So that Purple Haze and Purple Dream, though, yeah, that's nice. And I want to get into the Rich. That's the color that's broke. Um, so I guess it's a gold kind of color. Yeah. I mean, it's definitely usable. So, yeah. All right. So that is all for this box. Oh, this quad, man, I can't wait to get it. Because wow, the colors just those, oh, I just cannot wait. Let me see if I can, like, that's all the colors together basically. Here, let me try to, yeah, very coppery and yeah. Okay. All right, so that's all for this box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And wow, I have reached, I think it's 87 now. So thank you guys. I'm so glad that it's growing. I just, and I have got so many boxes. Like my bank account was basically empty yesterday from all of the boxes. So I'm back to getting my Truly Mystery sub box. I cannot wait. I didn't get it last month and it sucked. But I mean, they've had some really good summer deals going. They had a great July 4th. I did a review video on the soft serve. I need to just go ahead and release it because I was like, I did it on the 4th of July and I was like, I should have put the flag. So, all right. That will be all for this one, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye.